What's up, guys? Check out this Lord of the Rings 1,000-piece puzzle. We're gonna go ahead and put it together, show you guys the process and what it looks like at the end. You can see it has all the characters on it. Really cool design. Seems like it's gonna be a challenging puzzle, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. What's up, guys? So we got the puzzles out, and you can see there's letters on the back of each piece for the different areas. So if you want to make it easier for you, you can go ahead and organize the letters and then try to solve it. And then it also comes with a little map that shows you what it's supposed to look like. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together right now. What's up, guys? We finished the puzzle, so this is what it looks like. You can see it's a very cool scene from Lord of the Rings, the Fellowship of the Ring, and this is what it looks like completed. It did take around 2 nights for us to do this, but we got it done. So yeah, if you want to try it yourself, go ahead, check it out.